How to send your first message on Messenger. In this video, I'll be showing you how to send your first message on Messenger. It's super simple, so let's dive right in. First, open Messenger on your device. Once you open it, you will see all your friends in the chat sections right here. As I don't have any friends right now, it's not showing in mine. Let me add one friend. Okay, you can add a friend by searching their name right here. Search for them. Okay, once you search for them, you will get options here. Just tap on it. Okay, then you can see the text box right here. Tap on it and just enter the text and tap on the send button right here, and your first message will be sent like this. Repeat the same process if you want to send it to your next friends. Just go back and just add them and send it from here. And that's it. This is how easy it is to send your first message on Messenger. Hope this video was helpful for you. If it was, make sure to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe for more tips and tutorials. Thank you for watching.